Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cupcakes using an air fryer. First, gather all your ingredients and cupcake liners. Next, preheat your air fryer to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. While it preheats, prepare your favorite cupcake batter according to your recipe. This initial setup ensures everything is ready for a smooth baking process. Now, carefully fill each cupcake liner about 2/3 full with your prepared batter. This prevents overflow during baking. Place these filled liners into silicone molds or a small, oven-safe pan. Then, arrange the molds in a single layer within your air fryer basket, ensuring good air circulation for even cooking. It's time to cook. Place the basket back into the air fryer and cook your cupcakes for 10 to 15 minutes. Cooking times can vary, so after 10 minutes, check for doneness by inserting a toothpick into the center of a cupcake. If it comes out clean, they are ready. If not, add 2 to 3 more minutes. Once baked, carefully remove the hot cupcakes from the air fryer. Transfer them to a wire rack and allow them to cool completely. This step is crucial for proper frosting adhesion. Once cool, you can frost and decorate your delicious, perfectly baked air fryer cupcakes. Enjoy your homemade treats.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.